Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a non-rebreather oxygen mask. First, gather all your equipment, including the mask, oxygen tubing, and an oxygen source. Make sure the oxygen flow meter is accessible and ready for use. Always check the mask itself for any tears or blockages to ensure proper function. This preparation is crucial for effective oxygen delivery. Next, attach the oxygen tubing firmly to the mask's inlet port and then to the oxygen flow meter. Turn on the oxygen and adjust the flow rate to the recommended setting, usually between 10 and 15 liters per minute. It's important to see the reservoir bag inflate fully with each breath, indicating sufficient oxygen delivery. This step ensures the patient receives the correct concentration. Now, carefully place the non-rebreather mask over the patient's face, covering both the nose and mouth. Adjust the elastic strap around the head to achieve a secure yet comfortable fit. Gently pinch the metal strip over the bridge of the nose to conform the mask to the face, creating a good seal. A proper fit prevents oxygen leakage and maximizes delivery. Finally, continuously monitor the patient's respiratory status and oxygen saturation levels. Regularly check that the reservoir bag remains inflated during inspiration and deflates slightly with exhalation. If the bag collapses completely, increase the oxygen flow. Address any patient discomfort or signs of an improper seal immediately to maintain effective oxygen therapy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.